Hello everyone, today in this video you're going to learn about excretory system. So all day long your body is producing metabolic wastes, and these wastes include urea and carbon dioxide. These are even excreted or are produced while you're sleeping. So your body must get rid of these wastes, as these are poisonous and can harm you too, and eventually can lead to death. So the waste removal is called excretion. Your lungs are producing excreting out carbon dioxide, and your kidneys are excreting your urea in the form of urine. Remember this, that urea is a protein metabolic waste in the liver, which is produced in the liver, but your kidneys are your main excretory organs. They're towards the back of your body, just above your waist. So the protein metabolism, so it is called excretion. Your kidneys are removing urea, waste and other unwanted substances like excess amount of water, etc. from your body. They are your main excretory organs. So this is your excretory system, your kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Also there you have over here a sphincter, which is a ring of muscle actually, and this is about the kidney. The human excretory system has these are main things. This is the renal vein. What does it carry? It actually carries clean blood away from the kidneys to all parts of the body, so that it can be used up. While on the other hand, renal artery is carrying your dirty blood where? To your kidneys, so that they can filter it. And then where does your blood is filtering, like all the urea, excess water, unwanted substances are converting into urine, which is passing through the ureter into the bladder. There is a nephron. Your kidneys are cleaning your blood by filtering it, and they filter all your blood 300 times a day. The filtering is done by tiny million of tubes which are present inside the kidney. These tubes are called nephrons. So these filter all your blood, and all your clean blood is taken by the renal vein to all parts of your body. How is it taking? It's taking, first what happens is your dirty blood is coming, which is filtered over here in this thing, nephron glomerulus, over here as well, and then it is passed on to the renal vein from here as well. Over here this is connected, right? You see this blue thing over here, and over here as well. It's taking it to all parts of your body. Then your urine is coming through the ureters into your bladder, where it is stored. And then you have over here sphincter, which is a ring of muscle which holds your urine, meaning it keeps your bladder closed until you want to go to the toilet, and it is excreted out from urethra. This is urethra, and from here your urine is passed out. Now let's look at the kidney. Now when your kidney is opened, you see it has tiny cup shaped over here, right? Your unfiltered blood, which is from your renal artery, it is from a renal artery, it's coming to the cup-shaped things and all, and then when it is done filtering, it is coming out of the renal vein, and your other unwanted substances are exiting out through the ureter into the bladder. But let's look closely at the nephron. What is the main thing what the nephron's doing? Your nephron has a cup-shaped thing over here. It begins with a cup-shaped thing, which is called the Bowman's capsule. Inside of which you have a bundle of capillaries, which is called glomerulus. These bunch of capillaries called glomerulus, the dirty blood over here enters the glomerulus. When it enters the glomerulus, it goes through several processes before coming out into your tabule. Over here some things are taking place. Your blood is being filtered, and over here it is then going to your collective duct and then exited into the duct and then into your ureter so that it goes to the bladder. The filtered liquid. Now when the unfiltered blood enters here, there is another term here. The liquid is filtered. Filtered liquid. Dirty blood enters a glomerulus and is filtered, and then that filtered liquid enters this tube this tube which is a tube-shaped part of the nephron, and then over here the main process of converting into urine is taking place. Over here your urine is formed and drains into the ureter. Now let's look deeply at the process, how the blood is filtering in the glomerulus. Nearly all the blood is filtered in the glomerulus, but only the red blood cells does not filter over here. All the blood except red blood cell filters through into the nephron. Now normally all the glucose and as much as and other useful substances as the body needs pass back into the blood. So you see over here selective reabsorption is taking place. I've just drawn this rough diagram to show you that when a nephron is straightened out, how does it work? Okay, now here the dirty blood enters. Now urea with other substances, other useful substances as well, like vitamins, minerals, glucose, water, urea, everything is coming over here. Now over here, what is happening? When all these substances are going from here to here, something really important is taking place. Over here, your selective reabsorption is happening, where your useful substances like the useful substances which are needed by your body, vitamins, etc., glucose, are reabsorbed into the blood once again, and over here is left. What is left over here when all the useful substances are separated? Urine, meaning that urea is left. Urea plus excess amount of water is left, which actually turns into urine, which so that is why it all goes to your collecting duct. From here it exits the duct, meaning that it goes to your bladder through your ureter. So over here, all the good substances are absorbed into the blood again, and then this is the cleaned blood, which is then exited out of your body. Now this is the filtered blood. As I told you, this is what I was basically meaning to tell you, what this filtered blood means over here. Now this goes from here out of your body through your renal vein. This is how it works. Now, kidney transplant. Some people's kidneys are not very good at filtering the blood, so kidney machines help them by filtering their blood. But sometimes the cases are critical, so surgeons need to replace these faulty kidneys with healthy ones. So this operation is called a kidney transplant. So I hope you like this video. क्या